Good afternoon, all. Am I audible, man?
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, your potentiometer you have cleared, you have done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
And meter bridge.
Comfortable?
Yes, sir. Comfortable.
One second, man. I think I had sent 36 problems. You've done all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, there is something called galvanometer. See, we shall prove later in magnetic. Suppose this is a magnetic field. This is a magnetic field. Okay. In this, you suspend a current coil, current carrying coil. This is the area of the coil. And of course, this is the magnetic field. Okay. So this is B. This is the area. Okay. Whenever current flows through this, it is suspended like this by a wire. See, when current flows through this, there will be a torque. We shall prove that In magnetics, now we cannot prove because you need to know magnetics. So here only I can say is number of turns. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Just like E. This is like just like E only. Electric field here, no? Followed this?
Followed,
So
sir.
So now, due to this coil, what will happen? Coil rotates. So due to this rotation, suspension wire gets twisted. They agree till here?
Agreed, sir.
See, if remember this, see, this is property of material. Okay, you cannot do anything. Okay, so if wire get twisted by theta, what is the elastic torque?
F into the theta.
Till here you followed? That
Followed, sir.
means there are two
Yes.
torques. Shall I turn this? There are two
1 minute.
torques. One is when the coil rotates, there is a torque. Okay, that torque equals this. The other torque is what? Elastic torque
Elastic.
that is generated within the coil. These two are opposite. Okay, when the coil is in equilibrium, the elastic torque equals the coil torque, electric
Coil.
torque. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Potentiometer you have done surely.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now all these are constants, no?
Yes, sir.
Till here, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed.
Hello? Any doubt? You want to write down?
Yes, sir. Noted, sir. Noted it, sir.
See, you'll be seeing something like this. The coil and all you won't see. Only this will be moving. Okay. The each angle, now here suppose there are 50 divisions are there. Okay. It comes from 0 to here. Okay. Follow this. That is called full scale deflection. What is that called? Full scale.
Deflection.
Now, if you try to pass each for each one, see the deflection depends upon what you have seen just now.
Current. It depends on the current to wire. To the
No,
coil.
not only the current. It is dependent upon C by NAB. No, I is. Remember this. Now you can see number of turns, area for each coil. It has some value. No, it cannot cross more than that. Understood this or not? Now,
Yes.
if you pass a current more than that, what will happen? Yes, you see, suppose a weighing machine is there, it can show up to 100 kg. You keep an elephant on that, what will happen? It will get spoiled now. Why? The restoring elastic torque will not be existing because that the wire
Elephant
loses
weighs more.
its elasticity.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? So you
Yeah,
cannot
understood, sir.
use, that's why even your motorcycle or anything, if you read that, the problem with us is we don't read the user's manual, no? In that user manual, it will tell payload, means how many kgs it can carry. You will go triples, 10 people and all, that is nonsense actually. If you use more than that, then the engine life will come down. He clearly mentions that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So that means the current, suppose the last division is 50, current for that depends upon this value manufacturer will give. We use like this. IJ means current for maximum deflection. Understood this? Now
Yes, sir.
RG,
Resistance of galvanometer.
till here you followed.
Yes, sir.
See, sir, for example, potentiometer, you are having clarity now. All of you followed that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Follow.
Because many people feel difficult that. I don't know what is there in that. See, 10 divisions, it gives 5 MA, no? What is 100 divisions, no, maximum? This is only IG, no?
Yes,
Am
sir.
I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Or you can take like this, deflection proportional to current, no? Okay, so 10 divisions is proportional to, what is the current? 5
Five.
milli.
5 milliamperes.
100 divisions. full scale, no? 100 by 10 equals Ig by 5 mA. So Ig will be how much? 50 milliamp. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Finish?
Yes, sir. Done.
See, it is a deflection. Per unit current. Understood this? If understood this? Deflection per unit current. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
What is Ig? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is IG? For how many divisions?
50 divisions.
Understood this? How much is given this? Five milliamps, no?
Completed, sir.
Shall I turn
1 minute,
this?
sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir, how did we take that 50 for IG, sir? I did not understand.
Read that. Read that
Sir,
fully.
yes, sir. It's not mentioned that 50 divisions is the maximum deflection,
Hmm?
right? So how did we
Pardon?
take?
Hopeless fellow, there are only 50 divisions, no? You'll create a new division, no? You'll draw or what?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
It is
I
given
now
in
I
that means a refrigerator has some space. It did not mention that only that much food should be kept. No? Space available is that. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completely. Sorry, sir. Understood now.
See here, galvanometer can measure current range 0 ampere to maximum how much? Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
More than that, it cannot. Okay, next. If galvanometer has resistance Rg, then what is the voltage across terminals? How much?
IG into RG.
Now we have voltage sensitivity. It is defined as okay, followed? That is deflection is this voltage. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
This is
Understood.
when you buy a galvanometer, they'll be writing voltage sensitivity, current sensitivity. See, when the same questions that come in your final exams, people can't answer. I don't know what is the problem. You know what is the problem, man?
Sir, exam pressure.
Huh? What is that?
Exam pressure, sir.
Exam?
Exam pressure, sir. That tension.
What pressure? Who keeps you on? Anybody hitting the sticker? Hmm?
No, sir. That stress sort of develops while attempting the test.
See, for example, when a doctor makes an operation for a patient, for example, I had a heart one. So while doing that, if you think I have only one leg, the person who is being operated upon, he has only one leg. If the
Yes, sir.
doctor, while doing that operation, he presumes or assumes that what if now the patient's children, family is waiting outside now, what if I am in that position and my wife and children are waiting outside? He feel more tension. He cannot do the work now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hmm. The greatest friends and enemies of a human being is two things. What are those? Greatest
The
gift.
mind
Nobody has that. No other creature created by God has. Only human beings have that. Two things.
thinking.
The one is memory. The other is imagination. These are best friends. You're able to remember good things and all. You can imagine well. These are the worst enemies. Somewhere 10 years back, some fellow slapped you while you're at third standard. That fellow will meet you in engineering college. You'll have a grudge because that fellow slapped. That is memory. If that is not there, life would have been smooth, no? This imagination. What if I don't get IIT? That's the imagination. This should be, see, live today, man. Today is true. Tomorrow, what happens? Nobody knows. Why you send your thoughts to what is that today my class is going on. After class, sir give a assignment. I'll do that. That's it. Enjoy that. After this, I'll read chemistry. I'll read math. Amma, what I'll do, I'll do. Will that give you anything except tension?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I got heart attack only for simple reason. Mind teaching. The children cannot get a seat. Their career, how they live, how much problem and nowadays employment and all. See how they'll become beggars, criminals, and all this thieves and all. So we are spoiling the children. We're creating anti-social element. All this nonsense, if we get now, that leads to heart attack. Nothing else. We do our duty. Even I do have tension. I'll say, but slowly, because my age is different. I was my condition for the tensions. Now you have a chance, no? You're still young. Your life itself is. Do you think after getting into IIT, you'll sit there? Daily professor will will bring you chicken biryani, Coca-Cola and all. There also you have exams. Entry also exam. After job also exam. In the job also daily one exam only. Your performance is not good, they'll say leave. Okay, that's why we have many companies, no? If one company is taking not removed, another company will accept you. Think that way, man. Do you? Problem with thing is you will not do the work throughout year. You'll procrastinate and postpone the work, man. Continuously do that. Just before examination, you'll open. And the other problem with any college is after syllabus is over, they start exams. What is that syllabus they'll give is first year 2 parts, second year 2 parts. 2 parts means suppose 20 lessons are 10 lessons, physics 10 lessons, chemistry 10 lessons. What you will read? 1 week time they'll give. You can't read anything. Because first time you did not do all the assignments, no? You can't do. After that, what they'll start? Grand test they'll say. Then also every 3 days they'll keep. When you will reach permanently, you won't study. That's the reason I am saying knowing what is going to happen. See, from November our syllabus is over now. I'll tell you the tests. Every week they'll be having week one 10 lessons physics, 10 half of first year man. Second week half of first remaining half. Similarly in 1 month, second year third week will be second year on half. Fourth week will be remaining half. 1 month over. That next month onwards, first week whole first year syllabus. Second week whole second year syllabus. After that, every 3 days, one grand test. After that, just before exam, daily exam. Finished. Where you will read? I don't blame the college or anybody. I told you, no, this is like a circus. You have to do the work assigned at the right time. Let's say, for example, the acrobat is coming towards you by jumping, believing you will catch her. Suddenly you say, no, 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 let me eat one chocolate and catch him, she'll fall down. So that's what I'm saying, do the work, do the work, do the work. Then why do you think I finish revision and all? I call you, club with you, try my level best. Afterwards, you cannot do this. No time, no breathing time also. Once December end comes, that is not New Year for everybody, but not for you. Okay, that is actually a New Year of pressure. If you do comfortable, say first problem for all things cause is our postponement of work for anybody. Postponement of work leads to failure. You postpone, you don't do the work. After that, what you will think? You will do by yourself. I'll join that course, I'll join this course, I'll go there. Anywhere you have to do, no? You are basically, you don't want to use your mouth for eating, right? You close. You eat at home or hotel or anywhere. Basically, you don't eat because you don't want to open the mouth. So what is the use of that? So remember that your work is more necessary. That's why daily I'm saying, do the work, do the work. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, your seniors you observe, hardly 2-3 people are still studying. Many people. Now I think MSET started from yesterday. No? Everybody MSET they'll write. Okay, after writing MSET, will they get in university? Yeah? No. They'll join some private college, Nova Engineering College, Raj Kapoor Engineering College, something. Nobody knows where they are. If you do the work, definitely anything will conditioning and nothing else. Find IG current sensitivity. Find out. You have deflection is proposed to I. 50 divisions, that is IG, no total. And when current is 4 milliamps, 10 divisions. Knowledge is not one man's horse. If you put in hard work, anybody can learn anything. Followed this? Then what is current
Followed.
sensitivity? Deflection per unit current. You may take 50 by IG, or you may take, he only give no 10 division by 4 MA. Both are same. How much this gives? See, 50 division 20 milliamp. How much it comes to me? 2.5 division per milliamp.
Yes.
This is also understood, isn't it?
Understood, sir.
Anyway, you can get. Then you have voltage sensitivity. What is that voltage sensitivity?
IG into RG.
This is current sensitivity by RG. See how much you are getting? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Good out, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. He is.
Shall I turn this?
One minute, sir. Sir, what is the difference between ammeter and galvanometer?
I'll tell. You know anything about ammeter? Huh?
Sir, it measures current.
Hmm?
It measures current, right, sir?
That's all you know. No? When you're talking about differences.
So direction of the impulse.
Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See here, the ammeter, the galvanometer can measure what is the range? 0 ampere
You
to
am to IG.
IG.
sometimes I want to increase the range. So for that reason, what I do is, see, this is the galvanometer. No? I'll just connect one small resistor. Now suppose this is I, that is the main current. This instrument, this whole thing is one thing, this is the circuit current. See, previously, this is the battery, so this is the galvanometer. Now, how much current I can send maximum? 0 to IG only, no? Can I send more than that?
Yes.
No, sir.
Can I send more than that?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
It will
Then the
get spoiled.
galvanometer.
Now, let
Yes.
us see if I can send this I. What happens is, this goes, IG goes over here. It will be, then again they club up and come over here. Now you can see the potential difference across these 2 points will be same or not.
Yes.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
So now you can see,
How, sir? There is a resistor. Thread over
hopeless below these 2 points along this point or this path is same. I'm saying. I'm not saying these 2 potentials are equal.
there. Sorry, sir.
One
Sorry.
way
Sorry, sir.
you are a
My
confused
mistake, sir. Sorry.
master, I think. VA minus VB is. This you agreed with this?
Agreed, sir.
Even now, from now onward, if people read, there are a lot of chances to get very good rank. Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Now, followed this. You're able to send a current like this now, no? Now, by connecting a resistance S whose value is okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you move the pitch slightly upwards?
We can measure current from where to where? From 0 amp to what? I ampere, no? Do you
Yes,
agree
sir.
with this?
Yes, sir.
That means the range is improved or not by connecting this.
Prove, sir.
See, shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
Understand the idea behind what they are doing. Here, what is the resistance, man? Here, what is the resistance? Agreed. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
S is very small. Then what will happen? 1 by S tends to infinity. 1 by R tends to infinity. R tends to 0. Therefore, I will increase, the same battery. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You're able to increase the range, Following this.
Following,
Sir.
sir.
Understand clearly? Here, the resistance is fixed. So, the current measured is also fixed. Whereas, by connecting a small resistance, see, look at this. I am able to measure large currents now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This combination is what you call it as an ammeter. It is nothing but a galvanometer with increased range of current. How you are increasing the range, current measuring range? By connecting a small resistor. Understood the story?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just now you asked, no man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Anything you learn with reasoning, then you will score very well in final exam. Because you will not forget. If you mug up, volatile memory.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Shall turn this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
See, ammeter means a current measuring is an instrument. Ampere meter, measurement of current. Of what range can you tell?
From 0 to I.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now connecting Understood this?
Agreed, sir.
See, anything connected in parallel, we call it as shunt resistance. Shunted means connected in parallel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, now this shunt resistance, how much resistance? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now range is increased n times, no? N is greater than 1 only, no? Because shunt cannot be negative, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means as n equals to 1, n is greater than 1, I will be greater than I. Do you agree with this or not? So
Agreed, sir.
now, it's all common sense, man. Nothing is there in this. See, what we are doing, simple logic we are connecting that this only one law, V is equal to IR. Throughout this chapter, you learned anything else? V is equal to
Yes.
IR, that's it.
Yes.
You're observing?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Nothing to memorize. I know why you people struggle with this. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
They're not easy, man. Just check up. I feel the
Yes.
whole industry, how money is minted unnecessarily.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Completed, sir.
Coulomb's law, Gauss law, all this you're confident, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even Sunday's exam, you are seeing the paper. Hmm? You can easily get 100 out of 100, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then why you
Yes,
are
sir.
not getting? That is what I want to know. First, if you get 100 out of 100 in this paper, then I'll give my paper. Let us see how you perform.
Sir,
Various
many are
students.
getting 90 plus, sir, 95 plus also.
No, I don't want that. I don't want nearby. I am going to very near to IIT and join one private college adjacent to that. What is the use in that one? I don't like that. Almost I finished. See, the problem is a person dead, no problem. Okay, a person is healthy, no problem. The period will be there, no, he won't live for much longer time. That is the most horrible situation. Okay, so we 100. Yes, everybody are getting, at least 10 people are getting 100. Then okay, I'll give one paper. Let us see where they stand. Otherwise, what is the use when whenever I give a paper, universally anyhow you won't get marks in that. So why to study? Like that people are not at all doing. So first I'll decide it. This boost to Horlicks papers if you write. Deflection moving and falls from, see here. Before shunt, it is 50 divisions. After shunting, sorry. Okay.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Agreed.
There is an error now. See, after connecting, it will have more deflection, man. Because n should be more than 1, no? I by Ig should be more than 1.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but it says it falls from 50 to 10 after shunting.
No. Before shunting, it is showing 50 deflection. That means the current is more, no?
Yes,
Before
sir.
shunting, current is this. That is the meaning of this, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Agreed.
So I can say that the galvanometer, do you agree with this? The remaining story, no, look at that figure. Just recollect that. This is shunt, no? What is galvanometer resistance is given, no? Shunt is given, okay. 150, yeah. Understood this?
Sir,
Yes.
shunt is 12 ohm.
Hmm? Pardon?
Sir,
Here
after
G
applying
I have taken as RG. Followed.
Sir, S should be 12 ohm, right?
How much is here?
12 ohm, sir.
How much you got G? So only thing you should remember is before shunting less reading always. Understood this?
Sir, but before shunting in this question, it has 50 divisions.
yes, sir.
Hmm?
In this question, before shunting, it has 50 divisions and then it falls to 10 divisions.
Main current I am saying, not galvanometer current. After shunting, less resistance. Agreed? Hence,
Yes, sir.
more main current. More main current means you can read more divisions, no? Is it clear?
Sir,
Is it
I'm
clear or
getting
not?
confused in this part, sir.
What is
Yes,
that?
sir.
Main current
Thank
means the
you.
current from the battery that enters.
Sir, but current is directly proportional to the divisions, right?
Current through galvanometer, not through the ammeter, remember. Suppose this is the main current I am saying. When I shunt it, what will happen? This resistance will decrease. I will increase, no?
Yes.
Same cellman, which will be more?
I2, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So that means higher current will be for higher deflection. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Sir, when high current flows, it will flow through resistance and reduce to.
Maximum current flows through this only. This is a
Yes,
fixed
sir.
value. IG is fixed. We cannot change that. Followed? See here we are measuring this current. Okay,
Sir.
that current is
Yes, sir.
proportional to theta. Agreed?
Sir, I'm still confused, sir. Sir, IG
There's
should be
nothing to
50
confuse,
division.
man. There's nothing to confuse here. I'm telling you,
Sir, IG is 50.
Wait. Do you agree with this one? Till here, no confusion, no? Do you agree?
Yes.
Depending upon the shunt, N will change. Depending on upon N, what will happen? You can measure I, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
See, before passing this Ig is there, no? Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here, the amount of current that goes through this is controlled by S only, no?
Yes, sir.
If there is no
Okay.
S, whole current flows through this. So immediately it goes to full deflection. When you keep
Yes.
a shunt will take maximum current. Why? Less resistance, no? So the maximum current, very less current flows through this. That means still it did not attain, it cannot attain full deflection easily.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, 10 amperes, it is having full scale deflection. Now, if you see 15 ampere, you can see that it goes like this. 5 amperes goes, 10 amperes goes like this. But you are able to measure how much current?
15 amperes.
15 amperes. Agreed?
Now agreed,
Yes.
sir. Now confusion is clear.
No, the problem is the language of the paper set of the question. You will be contradicting your interpretation. That's why
Yes, sir.
read in a very simple way. I mean, don't give see current sensitivity. See the units, ampere by division, or division by ampere. That's all. But from that you can infer some information. A galvanometer is there. Definitely, it is converted to ammeter means for higher range only to measure higher current. No? That means higher
Yes.
current is proposed to higher divisions. Agreed.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, please.
You have seen this?
Yes.
Baiju wants to acquire for $800 million. Vedanta. Akash is over. Now Vedanta. After a few years, MS will also they'll buy it. Why they are buying one like that? Millions.
And where did they get that income from?
Bank China products. We say no. The major investment is from Chinese only. Our government talks all nonsense actually.
Yes, sir.
Maximum sales are only for China. Most of the investors are from Chinese only. These idiots talk nonsense to the public. And everybody are starting to sell it to others only. And why that fellow is buying, you know? Can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Spread breach.
Why Baiju is purchasing everything in India or
Sir.
anywhere?
Sir, to reduce competition.
To create a monopoly in the education sector.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In Telugu states, other than Chaitanya Narayana, you will never find a college. Okay. Never find a college means MS and all, you leave this small, what is that, service-oriented, so-called service-oriented organizations. Chaitanya Narayana, the strength is 2 lakh students are there. So now nobody, suppose I want to establish a college. I started one college, for example. What they do is, suppose I'm a good teacher, strength is coming. They don't want that. What they'll do is they try to create hurdles. They'll tempt all my staff members over, say after 1 or 2 months in the middle of the year, they pull all the staff members by paying more money. I am paying 2 lakhs per month. He'll offer 6 lakhs and they'll go away. So my college won't run. So it will be closed. So like that many colleges happen. So parents are not taking risk. They're joining Chaitanya Narayana, monopoly. Finished. For the next 100 years, you won't find a single college in Telugu state other than Chaitanya Narayana. Even Akash is a failure here. Resonance is a failure. Everybody trying, they're not successful. So like that, after a few years, Baiju will be ruling. he'll say first standard, second standard. First standard fees per month is 2 lakhs. Second standard per month 4 lakhs. So what all he invested now, he earn in, that is only future aims. WhatsApp they're giving free now, no?
Yes, sir.
Slowly now see, it became an addiction to everyone. No? Now they'll start WhatsApp ads also. Once ads begin, YouTube once upon a time free. Now they're giving ads, no? Remember? Once upon a time
Yes,
they
sir.
know ad.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
ads will produce lot of revenue for them. This is all anything business only. Ultimately, poor people are the parents. Innocently they get trapped. You tell me for teaching all this, you need hi-fi digital boards of 10 lakhs. So for that, I should go to gym daily, beauty parlor, and become handsome. Nice t-shirt, jean pants, knowing Hindi, cracking jokes in Hindi. All should I know for teaching this? Tell, is it necessary?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
People above 35 are not allowed, it seems, for that platforms, all youngsters. If you're a male, they'll send a female tutor. If you're a female, they'll send a male tutor. Education is gone. Now everybody will say, every parent, no respect nowadays. First of all, that fellow is not giving respect to the teachers. What respect will give for others? A person
Yes.
who is developing the software to the child. Imagine a teacher has taught 2 plus 3 is 100 in your nursery. What is your fate now? So first you should be thankful to the teacher who has taught you when you are trying. Remember that running notes, you used to bite her, run away from school, and you used to kick her when she used to call her. Remember the kiddish things you do in school. First
Yes,
day,
sir.
first that 1 year, that's called crèche or nursery. She is the greatest person. We should owe a lot. All patience he had. Imagine she slapped you left and right 1 or 2 days. What will you do? By this time you leave studies now.
Drama, sir.
No, no, the problem is we don't remember those things. After all, what is a teacher? So what respect that fellow will give parent? What respect that fellow will have towards family? We are encouraging all nonsense. Then what left? Anything, see, suppose I help a person to plant a bomb, tomorrow he'll plant a bomb in my house also. No?
Yes, sir.
A snake is a snake only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We say we love God. Why does God need your love, man? Huh? Who is God? God is nothing. This pen is having one property. Sun is having one property. Air is having one property. It does its job. It doesn't know that air is Venkatagiri, air does not know Venkatagiri, air does not know Abdul. Its function is that. Okay. Now I'll add some poisonous gas in that air and inhale. What will happen afterward? I'll die. So that then I'll
Yes, sir.
become, then we'll say air is a devil. That is not a devil. Everything in universe has certain properties. These are by nature they have come. We call all these are God only, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
See, frankly speaking, God is a tool. Do you agree with this?
To some extent, yes, sir.
No, no, to full extent. See, for example, you are imprisoned and you have to, with your nails, you have to dig holes. Otherwise, you will be beaten. You have done that for 1 week. After that, they gave you some crowbar or something to dig. How happy you will feel? Do you remember?
Yes,
Previously,
yes.
you're
Yes,
digging
sir.
with finger. Now the crowbar,
Yes, sir.
the crowbar is a God for you, no?
Yes, sir.
It is giving comfort.
Yes, sir.
So anything which gives us happiness is God. God is giving us happiness. So assignments are given, classes are going on. Be regular, do the work. Automatically, you'll get happiness. Then studies itself is nothing a blessing of God. You won't do that. You run away from that. One fellow is asking, you and Medipatna will have common paper from next week. That is junior fellow. Hardly 1 month back he came. So read properly means, sir, what if some people are doing what is that? Malpractice by looking at the answers in books means I tell why you are worried about that fellow. Means already they are planning for other means. Then what we can do now? Really, man, some children, last year Umer now, is a god for me, a student. Never used to be absent. Any problem we discuss, Joe really used to enjoy. He used to crack jokes. Nice, I miss him a lot actually. Means he's a real student. What is this, man? Daily I'll see Azim posting. So and so children are absent for that. Oh, what is this nonsense? How awkward it looks. Not on this.
Yes, sir. Not.
All these all these institutions are established to sell only. So that means the students are made a scapegoat for this. That is the news, you know that it's not an advertisement. First
Yes,
Akash
sir.
is over. First
Yes,
Akash
sir.
is over. Akash is over. Now this fellow started. Next after that, Unacademy will start. See, this is not a news article. I did not tell that. See, this is Google News. I don't want to read all this nonsense. Otherwise, what is it? Unacademy sponsoring IPL. Huh?
Yes.
Where it is going on. See, what is the value of shunt which passes 10% of main current through the galvanometer? 10% of what is the main current? I. Can't you do it?
10 by 12.
What is shunt? What is that? G, no? G by n minus
N
1.
minus 1.
What
G
is
by n minus
n?
1.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
See, shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
See, this is a galvanometer. Directly a current goes. So the deflection is theta. Agreed?
Yes.
Current. See, the main current is not changing. Now, the same galvanometer, by connecting one shunt, Only thing that happens is, okay, only theta dash will change. Main current will be that only. Understood this?
Yes. Yes.
This is without shunting, this is after shunting. What is the current sensitivity? What is the current sensitivity for this? Deflection per unit main current, because this whole thing is one instrument, no? Now this is
Yes.
overall, this is nothing but an ammeter actually.
Yes, sir. Agree.
This is the deflection of the ammeter. Once you shunt it, it becomes an ammeter by default. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Agree.
sir.
Now what is asking? CS dash. How CS dash changes? CS dash is theta dash by I. Agreed? Suppose, do you agree with this? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Yes.
Deflection is proportional to the galvanometer, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now CS dash is CS before shunting, no? By n plus 1. That's what we got, no?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see CS dash is less than CS. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
That means for 1 unit deflection, CS will decrease now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Current should be more, no?
Agreed, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there till here? Boys,
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
completed?
1 minute, sir, last time. Yes, sir, done.
See, actually tomorrow we have a meeting, a class won't be there. So will you take a break? I'll continue now.
Yes, sir, 15 minutes.
Because tomorrow you can't take less and the paper sitter has already given, it might have given the paper, I think. I gave complete sheet. Again headaches will come. Go for 15 minutes and come. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
The person you had called is speaking to someone else. Wait or call again later. మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తి మరొక కాల్లో బిజీగా ఉన్నారు. మీరు వేచి ఉండండి లేదా తిరిగి మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించండి. आपने ओ अन्य कॉल पर व्यस्त
Look, itna, good evening, good evening. See, your class, actually, revision class will be taking only for you. Reason is other people are writing this MSET and all. Each one is one slot and all. So anyhow, they are attending one will attend today. Tomorrow I will getting headache. I told, I told I won't tell them. So I will take only for you. Okay, tell me. When is that bit set exam? 8th means today. Okay, prepare that then from Sunday because okay. Only you means if we can go more syllabus, I think. But 8th to 20th, get the more syllabus, okay? Right. And after your bit set, go to the total syllabus then once again, okay? Right. Take care. Bye. Sir, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Chepanda. Hello. బాబాయ్ నేను పెర్మనెంట్ కూలీ మీరు